From the KATC Weather Lab, here's Daniel's forecast.
It has been a very, very tricky forecast the last couple of days, trying to figure out what this low pressure system was going to do. But looks like what's going to happen is it is going to take the eastern route, and that is going to leave us with much, much quieter weather, which is good. When you look out over towards the east, you can see all of the activity that they've been dealing with. So let's get over to the wall. Here's what the satellite and radar picture looks like. You see that it's pretty unsettled out there through the Gulf of Mexico and out over through the central parts of the Gulf Coast. Again, this has been the low that we've been talking about for a little while. Going to make its way eastwards here, keeps some of that activity in our area. You see some of that moisture is still wrapping around. It had a little bit of shower activity earlier, but it's been very, very spotty. Nothing as heavy as what they've been dealing with out over through the Mississippi coast and what they're going to be dealing with in New Orleans as we get a little bit further on into the night tonight, because that low eventually does start to move northwards a little bit, and it is going to bring some heavier rainfall into the New Orleans area. So if you are headed towards New Orleans here, or maybe out over towards the North Shore late tonight, do be mindful you're going to run into some showers there. And if you have folks who have been taking spring break out along the beaches, some of this activity is going to linger into tomorrow as well. So if they are heading back along I-10 westbound, probably going to be dealing through, driving through a little bit of rainfall out there. Our radar is much, much quieter. We do have fairly nice conditions out there. A lot of clouds, and there's been a few isolated showers drifting here and there. Most of that has stayed down along the coast, though. Little isolated showers just south of Abbeville, and you do have some activity kind of popping up offshore, some thunderstorms out there. So if you are down in South Acadiana, you're looking southwards, you see a little bit of lightning, hear a little rumble of thunder or two. That is coming from those storms out in the Gulf of Mexico. Going to be staying out offshore as well. May get a little bit as we go overnight tonight. Again, that low is going to move northwards, does bring some of those showers into the area here into New Orleans late tonight. You can see still going to be dealing with some rainfall out through the central Gulf Coast. This is tomorrow morning. A little bit of light misty activity expected out there. So when you wake up tomorrow, maybe dealing with that for your morning commute. I don't think anything that's going to have a major impact on that commute, more so nuisance rain than anything else. Winds are going to be wrapping around that low coming in from the north, so it's going to actually drive in some cooler air. We stay pretty cool tomorrow. We'll be low 70s even as we start to see some sunshine in the afternoon. Clear skies going into Friday does mean we'll be able to drop down into the 50s yet again for early Friday morning, and a nice sunny day takes those temperatures into the low 80s for Friday afternoon. So Friday looks quite nice. Winds will start to pick up out of the south. Doesn't necessarily last too long. You've got a front that's coming through. Clouds build back up, and we're probably looking at showers and some thunderstorms out there for Saturday. As far as our rain totals go, even with some of the lighter showers that we're expecting, maybe trace amounts, quarter inch or so, not a whole lot, certainly not as much as what they're going to be dealing with out over towards the east. Like I said, if folks are driving back from spring break, a lot of water that they're going to have to be driving through. So you may see a little bit of flooding here out through coastal portions of Mississippi, but luckily the heaviest stuff has stayed well offshore. That's where you've seen kind of the 10 inches worth of rain. That has all stayed out in the Gulf of Mexico, and it looks like that's where it will remain. So good news there. Temperatures in the upper 50s as we head into tomorrow, eventually getting into the lower 70s. It'll take us a little bit of time to clear out, but eventually we should do so, and then we'll stay clear going overnight into Friday. So a chilly start to the day Friday, sitting in the 50s. But warming back up, we'll be low 80s out there with mostly sunny skies by the time we get to Friday. For the night tonight, 58 degrees for the overnight low, a 60% chance for some showers. Winds will be from the north-northeast at about 8 miles an hour or so. And then for tomorrow, a few leftover showers in the morning. Does stay cool outside. Those clouds are going to be clearing out. Those temperatures are going to be getting to about 73. We will stay in the low 80s through the weekend. You get showers and thunderstorms for Saturday, clears out Sunday. Nice stretch of days. I think we'll watch maybe midweek to late next week for maybe some showers that will start rolling through here, but that very much would fit in a pretty typical spring-like pattern here where you can get all kinds of weather sometimes in the matter of like 4 hours. So
just never know.
Yeah.
How you doing?
Good evening.
Yeah, I have not said good morning to as many people as I thought I would. And that's always the worry. I'm bringing some of my chaotic GMA energy to the very boys' night side. It's very respectable.
Yeah. It's a fun time.
So,
we always say night side.
On.
Night side's the right side. We won't tell Dave and Katie.
That's right.
No,
that's for sure.
No one's paying attention. We get away with whatever we
They're
want.
sleeping. That's probably why. All right. Thanks, Daniel.